Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another session of our money analysis. Yeah, so as we all know, we're basically looking for opportunities in the market, and you guys get to see how I get my Forex. You guys get to see how I get my entries. That's my entries and exits. That's basically my Forex strategy. Yeah. So today, fundamental wise, we actually have news, high impact news by we have high impact news by 11, sorry, by 1:15. We have another one by 7 p.m. FOMC. This is a very high impact news. We have ISM by 3 p.m. So today is actually going to be, how should I put it? Very interesting in the market. Yeah. So let's jump on our charts and see what we can get. Let's jump on our charts and see what we can get. Wow. Good. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. We actually have something very sweet here. So yesterday, there was this buy trade I took with the guys at the trading floor. Price created this high. When it came down here to create this low, we actually took buys and then we basically rolled it to the upside. So now price has created a new higher high. Do you understand? So we have higher high, higher low. Price has created another higher high. And then it's retracing down, yeah? So now let's plot our fib from the low to the high. Sorry, from the low to the high. From the low to the high. And then you see that our Fibonacci is actually aligning with our 0.618. It's very sweet stuff. This is a very nice trade for us to actually take. What we're going to do now is just wait for price to get into this area. Then we jump on the buys to the upside. Simple as that. Then let's go to AUDUSD. Oh God, this one is still ranging at our 0.618. So yesterday there was this setup we had, yeah. Price basically broke to the upside. We broke to the upside, yeah. We broke to the upside and then we retraced. And if you see this place that price is currently ranging at here, it's the 0.618 of our Fibonacci. Do you understand? So price is just tapping inside and then going up. It will reject more, tap inside and then go up. Since yesterday, it has just been consolidating there. So what we're going to do now, yeah, since we have already known that price has tapped our zone, yeah, we'll drop to the 5 minutes. What are we looking for in these 5 minutes? Now, we're basically just looking for a shift in market structure. Now, in this case, what are we going to look for? If at any point price comes to break any of this high here, yeah, if price comes to break this high to the upside, if price comes to break this high to the upside on these 5 minutes, then we'll just look for a retest and then a continuation. That's basically what we're going to be looking out for on this 5 minutes time frame. So if we can say that I'm going to set an alert there, if we can get something like that, then we'll be jumping on the bias. But for now, it's just to sit back and see how everything plays out. So we actually have two setups. We have setup on AUDUSD, NZDUSD. NZDUSD, we just have to wait, and then AUDUSD, we have to wait for that extra confirmation. Now, is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? Today looks like a very swift day. Any other currency pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go?
No, let's check EU.
Eh?
Let's check EU.
Okay, that's Euro USD, Euro USD. Wahala. Let me look at the forehead. What's the forehead looking like? This thing is looking like a range since last week. Okay. Yeah, it's more or less still inside that range on the forehead. So we have the low of the range here. We have the low of the range here. And then we have the high of the range up here, more or less up here. So up to now, price is still in between. Price has not really exited it, so we're still very much in the range. If you go to the 1H2, you see price is just, it will tap the bottom of the range, sell and go to the, buy and go to the upside, then sell to the downside. So please, for me, I'm just going to leave it alone for now. Let's just sit back and see how everything will play out. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go?
AUD card.
AUD card. AUD card. AUD card. Okay, this is nice. This is looking promising. On the 1H, we're actually bullish. Wahala. And we have started shifting bearish on this time frame. So price basically just consolidated here for a while. Yeah, and then now it's pushing down. What we can do here, you see this zone here, we have a resistance here that was broken to the upside. So we can look to see whether price will react from there. Now, if we plot our Fibonacci from the low to the high, I'm not sure it's going to reach there. It's not going to, it's just a few pips below there. So this is basically where I'll be looking to see price react from. I'll be looking for something like this, around this area, like this, something like this. I'll be looking for something like this. So what to wait for now is price just made an impulsive move to the upside. You wait for that retest and then the continuation, basically. So you enter once price gets 0.61, you look for extra confirmation and jump on it. But this is what I'm looking at, basically. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
None for now.
Okay, good. So in the absence
But
of
me, I don't know what's up with this thing.
what? I heard someone, this was somebody talking about a pair that we should look at. GBPUSD. Wahala. This is one thing I don't like about these pairs. So it's, let me see. Wahala. Wahala. This one thing I don't like, especially pairs I don't trade. I'm always having. Okay, so now let's analyze this here. Price created a low here. We pushed up, we created a lower high, another lower low. We created a lower high, then we failed to create another lower low. And then now we broke the lower high to the upside, yeah? So we basically came and then we broke this lower high here to the upside. Do you understand? Now, what can you look out for? Price has basically shifted bullish, yeah, on this time frame. So what you can look to do is, let's see, our fib from the low to the high, what is it looking like? Yeah, the 0.618 is just around that high that was broken. So you can look for normal retest and then a continuation, basically. So this is what you can look out for on GBP Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
Yes, boss. Let's look at gold.
I already expected that. Wahala. It's good. I say I no go talk anything about this gold though. This gold was ranging for a while, yeah. For a while, gold was just in between this high and then this lows down here. Do you get? It's just now that the thing just broke to the upside. So to avoid that whole case of gold exited and came back inside, let's just wait. Let it change to another trend. If it can change to an uptrend, then we'll start buying. But for now, it's just leave it alone. Any other pair you guys want to take a look at?
GPP JPY.
GBP JPY. And it's all this one too is almost the same thing as GBP JPY. We were ranging, we exited the range, yeah. We more or less exited the range, and now price is pushing down. Well, if you go to the 1H, there should be a shift in market structure. I have nothing to say about this pair. Honestly, I have nothing to say about it. Me analyzing it is sounding as if I'm forcing something, so I don't want that type of situation. The market structure is not something clear that I can say I want to trade. Any other pair you guys want to take a look at?
Mine is not.
What about what? What?
I mean, what about GPPUSD?
We already looked at GBP/USD. We have a buy set up on GBP/USD that we can look out for. It's to wait for price to get into the zone. That's the only thing. So we already looked at GBP/USD. So this is what we're looking out for on GBP/USD. for price to basically retest this 0.618. But you can see right now that price is just making that impulsive move to the upside. But if it can retrace and come back to this 0.618 here, then we can take buys from here to the upside. That's what we're looking out for. Anyways, guys, is there another pair you guys want to take a look at? Sort of end the session. So
mine is like
what?
Mine is like it's concerning the Quaco stuff, and we starting off a challenge from here.
What?
I say mine is concerning this Quaco synthetics or Quaco broker.
Okay.
I don't know what's happening. They are not paying me, and I've been complaining.
They are not paying what?
They refused to pay me. I've been placing withdrawals since.
How much is
days
the
now?
withdrawal?
Just $410.
410.
Yes, I've been using normal instant this thing. They refuse to. I have to.
Have you done your KYC? Have you done your KYC?
Yes, no. I've actually withdrawn from them before, not even once.
Okay, do you know what? Send me your account details, yeah? Send me your account details to my WhatsApp. I'll speak to their support and then see what will happen. But in the meantime, what you can do, yeah, go to their website, look for the live chat option, yeah, and try talking to them.
I've tried. I've not seen anything. I've not even seen any live chat option.
No worries. Just send me your account details. Send me your email and then send me your MC5 or MT4 account detail. Yeah, I'll reach out to their support and then let you know what's up.
Okay, no problem. So what's up with the challenge stuff that I suggested?
I've not gotten an account yet, but I'm going to get an account. I want to get another account for this stuff. But I'll get it within this week and then next week I'll get it.